ritukulia rero nigo achigostori chanya kwa chikwarganirwa kurwa gose kubwatirana amo na barokigwa be University ya Kisii na boigo aba gosoria kurwa ase orogongo rwa Nyanza bogosoria manyikete na Scrabble iyo gatebekana gose kugosorirwa ase okobanga chinuguta na korosia amalieta muligito muriani siango murini siango nigekera na sayo na era onyara kubaga gotwarganira oroboti rokobwati.
My name is Nani from Homa Bay. I must say I'm very glad to be here in the South Nyanza region, Scrabble tournament, and I say I'm happy to have won the championship today. I happen to have been the first national champ in the tournament that we held in 1990. So our aim is to promote Scrabble in this region, and I think we are doing that by going by the number of people who have come here. And we also have the young generation in the form of students who are here and played quite well. I had quite a rough time because the players have become quite tough now, and it's been quite a big challenge.
Ase category P goto batege kwetu Scrabble Scrabble ne mochia sogo kulika malita yege songo bona ko twara usinda na ga iga bantu ba hospital ne ga sogo kulika malita ayu na boy go wa ke Scrabble ko ibeno lakini ko present Kisii kuno mwa ko ya te bana ro tanga ine kurwa sende nationals benje ko kusiga ninje tanga ine na boy go na bo pesana muna to akiri mochia soyo na ndo tata banta bange baba mochia soyo abana beso kuru bae gerewe erino mochia soyo manyekane muno manyekane te South Nyanza ko mochia soyo no takere ko manye ege songo aket no tamanya mono na ndo takere o no so mete erine ka rukulika kwanya rukulika boro ni mande chichege teke ga kwan ko boro ya sana ka rukulika ege songo teke na ende to expose mochia sama ndo banda ba ngai sana mo baba ka muna aba most of these guys ko bali professional na ende ba so mete sana ine aro ko ya to ko nyora ko asegende ya to ko nyene ni ko manya mna bata.
Yeah, my name is Stanley Mulaku. I'm an international Scrabble player with vast experience playing the game for the last 25 years. Glad to be here today in Kisii, mingling with students, trying to grow the game within this region. Just wish to encourage the younger players to come up, encourage also people from this region to try and sponsor this game because it's a very good game that really sharpens skills. Both mathematical and English skills. So